Vice Principal Sir, esteemed parents, dear children, very good morning to all of you. Today our students are participating in seminar under the topic Role of Science and Technology in Day-to-Day's Life. So first of all, I invite Parth Dhiman of class 9B to please come on the dais and start his presentation. Parth Dhiman.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Parth Dhiman from class 9B, GNV Yamunanagar. And today I am here in this seminar to present my views on the topic Implementation of Science in Day-to-Day Life. Implementation of science and technology. Today we cannot expect our life without science and technology. They are extremely essential in our life as they have made our life more simple, fast and secure. Science and technology are both closely related terms. Both of them convert into wonderful technologies. While science is the study of entire universe, technology is the application arising from science. Hence we need both of them in our life. Let's take a glance in detail. These are the icons. First, it helps us to save time and money. Various contributions of science and technology helped us to save our time and money. While science explained us that the cooked food is better than the raw one, technology has gifted us with microwave and many more appliances which help us to cook our food, which saves time. Also, devices like computers, modes of transport, washing machines help us to save our time and money. Education. Science and technology's contribution in education is very big. Science has given us great knowledge and we have got important matter to study. Technology has made education easier. It has gifted us with many e-devices, multimedia devices, e-books, etc. Internet. Information technology is a very big gift of technology and science. With the help of internet, we do not only get huge knowledge on science and other subjects, but also we get to stay connected with our friends and family in any part of the world. Provides us devices for communication, comfortable sleeping and quick cooking. In fact, science has made our life easier. With the help of objects like AC, microwave and many more devices, we can save our time and it's made our sleeping, cooking and commute process easier. It helps us live a better life. Science has made significant contribution in health by giving treatment for various chronic diseases. Technology has gifted us ways so we can take these treatments through X-ray machines, scan machines, operation devices and much more. We are also blessed with expressing equipments through various health apps, online doctors and other things which maintain us a healthy and happy health life. Achievement out of the planet. Mars Orbiter mission is India's first interplanetary mission to orbit Mars in an elliptical way. Launching of 104 satellites is done by India. Chandrayaan is a brilliant achievement of India. India has gained enormous success in past few years in the interplanetary mission in a very few time. Some disadvantages too. It destroys our simple and traditional lifestyle. People get too much dependent on it. Social media may lead to psychological disorders like eye strain and some people do not easily focus on important issues. It also gives ways to terrorists and sometimes it makes us lazy. Conclusion. At last, I would like to conclude that science and technology has made our life easier. Also, we all should make an effort, hope that these inventions are for the benefit of the people. So with the help of science and technology, we can make the world a better place to live. Thank you.
Thank you, Parth. Now I invite Lavisha from class 10 to start the presentation. Lavisha.